father of Ashraf Ahmed, and Ashraf has been to 10x Club for last 6 months or so, since the time the club started. And one of the things which interested him or attracted him towards this club was his bent of mind towards technology and technology in a more scientific and practical way. So I got him enrolled in this 10x Club sessions. To begin with, there were some coding sessions and the software part of it in the first 3 months, and that led eventually to a hackathon in the month of December. So it was wonderful to see my son as well as other 9 kids of approximately 10 to say 13, 14 years of age coming up with their own coding skills and the way they had put up things together and presented on the D-Day here. It was wonderful to see their confidence, to see their interaction, and I was particularly amazed at their not only the thinking or the critical thinking skill, but also their presentation skill. Cut to next 3 months, and today it is 31st of March, where we have just finished with the second hackathon, which was on the hardware aspect. So in the last 6 months, I have seen the boys doing so well for themselves. I mean, the kind of mentorship, the kind of guidance, hand-holding, be it and then problem statement and the solutions which have been taught by Mr. Rajesh, who is leading the 10x Club, along with various other mentors, is simply awesome. Today's session, I was mesmerized to see the boys and girls coming up with brilliant ideas, stretching from Land Rovers to automation of homes to imagining and then making it a live product in terms of brain and how to study various parts of the brain, and for especially targeting towards people with diseases like dementia. Simply superb. I mean, yeah, I agree that school education cannot be taken away, they are very important. But in these current times when the technology, the advancements in science has advanced so much that just purely going to school will not help the student in entirety. So here comes the role of places like 10x and good mentors who have not only imparted the sound knowledge base, how the system works, the various products that the students have from conceptualization to making the prototype, to make it actual working models, to putting it up in the form of a prototype on YouTube channel, to making QR codes, to making detailed leaflets where all the guidelines about how the system is working is mentioned there, to the packaging, and finally when they were here confidently presenting to us all audience and the 2 judges. I should mention that the 2 judges were impeccable. There was no softness to any particular team, but they were very pointed observations, their strengths, their weakness, how to improve their products, to how to interact, problem solution, problem statement and solution working together as a team. Everything was dealt with in such a superb way, and I mean, I am loss of words. I would encourage all the parents, the wannabe kids who are the future of tomorrow, to come to places like this. 10x, what they offer, a very solid, sound, theoretical background, and then more importantly, the hands-on job which they give to their students. The kind of mentors which this club has, I mean, it is an asset. I would encourage all parents to let their child explore the world of science. And who knows, they are the next Elon Musk or Bill Gates from India. So my best wishes to 10x Club. I am very happy, particularly seeing my son Ashraf growing up from strength to strength, and I am very proud to say now that he has learned quite a lot in terms, not only in terms of scientific knowledge, but also interaction with people, and also his connect and marketing sense and entrepreneurial skills altogether. So that goes true for all the kids which we have witnessed today. So all those kids out there and their parents, so you are most welcome. Reach out to Mr. Rajesh and his team at One Place Plaza at One Hotel. Thank you and all the best.